The role of data science applications has not evolved overnight. Thanks to faster computing and cheaper storage, we can now predict outcomes in minutes, which could take several human hours to process. A data scientist gets a whopping 124,000 US dollar a year, and they owe it to the deficiency of skilled professionals in this field. This is the reason why data science skill is at an all-time high. In this video, I'm going to talk about 10 applications that build upon the concept of data science, exploring various domains such as fraud and risk detection, healthcare, internet search, target advertising, website recommendation, advanced image recognition, speech recognition, airline route planning, gaming, and augmented reality. So let's go one by one and explore more about each and every field. So let's talk about fraud and risk detection. The earliest applications of data science were in finance. Companies were fed up of bad debts and losses every year. However, they had a lot of data which used to get collected during the initial paperwork while sanctioning loans. They decided to bring in data scientists in order to rescue them from losses. Over the years, banking companies learned to divide and conquer data by customer profiling, past expenditures, and other essential variables to analyze the probabilities of risk and default. Moreover, it also help them to push their banking products based on customers' purchasing power. Now let's talk about healthcare domain. In the healthcare sector, especially receives a great benefits from data science applications. First one is a medical image analysis. Procedures such as detecting tumors, artery stenosis, organ delineation employ various different methods and frameworks like MapReduce to find optimal parameters for tasks like lung texture classification. It applies machine learning methods like support vector machine, content-based medical image indexing, and wavelet analysis for solid texture classification. Second thing is genetics and genomics. Data science applications has enabled an advanced level of treatment personalization through research in genetics and genomics. The goal is to understand the impact of the DNA on our health and find individual biological connections between genetics, diseases, and drug response. Data science technique allows integration of different kinds of data with genomics data in the disease research, which provides a deeper understanding of genetic issues in reaction to particular drugs and diseases. As soon as we acquire reliable personal genome data, we will achieve a deeper understanding of the human DNA. The advanced genetic risk prediction will be a major step towards more individual care. Third one is in the drug development. The drug discovery process is highly complicated and involves many disciplines. The greatest ideas are often bounded by billions of testings, huge financial and time expenditure. On average, it takes 12 years to make an official submission. Data science applications and machine learning algorithms simplify and shorten this process, adding a perspective to each step from the initial screening of drug compounds to the prediction of the success rate based on the biological factors. Such algorithms can forecast how the compound will act in the body using advanced mathematical modeling and simulations instead of the lab experiments. The idea behind the computational drug discovery is to create computer model simulations as a biological relevant network, simplifying the prediction of future outcomes with high accuracy. And fourth one is nothing but the virtual assistants for patients and customer support. Optimization of the clinical process builds upon the concept that for many cases, it is not actually necessary for patients to visit doctors in person. A mobile application can give a more effective solution by bringing the doctor to the patient instead. The AI powered mobile apps can provide basic healthcare support, usually chatbots. You simply describe your symptoms or ask questions, receive key information about your medical condition derived from a wide network linking systems to causes. Apps can remind you to take your medicine on time and, if necessary, assign an appointment with a doctor. This approach promotes a healthy lifestyle by encouraging patients to make healthy decisions, saves their time waiting in line for an appointment, and allows doctors to focus on more critical cases. The most popular applications nowadays are Your MD and ADA. Now, the third use case of data science is in the internet search. This is probably the first thing that strikes your mind when you think data science applications. When we speak of search, we think Google, isn't it? But there are many other search engines like Yahoo, Bing, Ask, AOL, and many more. All these search engines, including Google, make use of data science algorithms to deliver the best results for our search query in a fraction of seconds. Considering the fact that Google processes more than 20 petabytes of data every day. Then, target advertising. If you thought search would have been the biggest of all data science applications, here is a challenger: the entire digital marketing spectrum. Starting from the display banners on various websites to the digital billboards at the airports, almost all of them are decided by using data science algorithm. This is the reason why digital ads have been able to get a lot higher CTR, means call through rate, than traditional advertisement. They can be targeted based on a user's past behavior. This is the reason why you might see ads of data science training programs while I see an ad of apparels in the same place at the same time. Then let's talk about another use case of data science, which is in website recommendations. Aren't we all used to suggestions about similar products on Amazon? They are not only help you find relevant products from billions of products available with them, but also add a lot to the user experience. A lot of companies have fervently used this engine to promote their products in accordance with users' interest and relevance of information. Internet giants like Amazon, Twitter, Google Play, Netflix, LinkedIn, IMDb, and much more use this system to improve the user's experience. The recommendations are made based on previous search for a users. Then advanced image recognition. You upload your image with friends on Facebook and you start getting suggestions to tag your friends. This automatic tag suggestion feature uses face recognition algorithm. In their latest update, Facebook has outlined the additional progress they have made in this area, making specific note for their advances in image recognition accuracy and capacity. We have witnessed massive advances in image classification as well as object detection, means where are the objects. But this is just the beginning of understanding the most relevant usual content of any image or video. Recently, we have been designing techniques that identify and segment each and every object in an image, a key capability that will enable entirely new applications. In addition, Google provides you with the option to search for images by uploading them. It uses image recognition and provides related search results. Then we have a speech recognition. Some of the best examples of speech recognition products are Google Voice Assistant, then Siri by Apple, and Cortana by Microsoft, and we have many more. Using the speech recognition feature, even if you aren't in a position to type a message, your life wouldn't stop. You simply speak out the message and it will be converted to text. However, at times you would realize speech recognition doesn't perform accurately. Then let's talk about airline route planning. Airline industry across the world is known to bear heavy losses, except for a few airline service providers. Companies are struggling to maintain their occupancy ratio and operating profits with high rise in airfare prices and need to offer heavy discounts to customers has further made the situation worse. It wasn't for a long when airlines companies started using data science to identify the strategic areas of improvement. Now, using data science, the airline companies can predict flight delay, decide which class of airplanes to buy, whether to direct land at the destination or to take a halt in between. For example, a flight can have a direct route from New Delhi to New York. Alternatively, it can also choose to halt in any country, effectively drive customer loyalty programs. Then let's talk about gaming. Games are now designed using machine learning algorithms that improve and upgrade themselves as the player moves up to a higher level. In motion gaming, also, your opponent means your computer analyzes your previous moves and accordingly shapes up its game. EA Sports, Zynga, Sony, Nintendo, Activision Blizzard have led the gaming experience to the next level using data science. And then we have a augmented reality. This is the final of data science applications which seems most exciting in the future. Augmented reality. Data science and virtual reality do have a relationship, considering a virtual reality headset contains computing knowledge, algorithms, and data to provide you with the best viewing experience. A small step towards this is the highest trending game of Pokemon Go. The ability to walk around things and look at Pokemon on walks, streets, on walls, streets, things that aren't really there. The creator of this game used the data from Ingress, the last app from the same company, to choose the location of the Pokemon and gyms. However, data science makes more sense once VR economy becomes accessible in terms of pricing and consumers use it often like other apps. Though not much has been revealed about them except the prototypes, and neither do we know when they would be available for a common man's disposal. Let's see what amazing data science applications the future holds for us. That's all about in this particular video. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you soon in the next video.